Hey, what's going on guys? Rookie Smash here and welcome back to another video. So, the before episode we started a new series of how to use Arduino Uno, and in which I told you how to upload a blink command on your Arduino Uno board and blink it, and also how to change numbers of the digital input pin, so any pin will work as high or low. Now today I will teach you how to use the analog input and output pins of the Arduino Uno board from A0 to A5. Yeah, I know I told you guys that I will show you how to use OLED screen, but that video is under editing and will be uploaded later. Now the components are Arduino Uno, breadboard, 3 wires of jumper cable or any wires, a potentiometer and a LED of any color. The potentiometer resistance can be of any number, that doesn't matter. Now let me show you what programming is needed for doing these things. The program will be in the link in the description for you guys to download. Now, as we are on the PC with the program all up, the first line which we can see is integer sensor value is equal to 0, which states that sensor value will be is equal to 0 when the program begins. Then in void setup, the program runs once, so it is written as serial begin 9600. So the software will tell the Arduino Uno to communicate with the software using the 9600, which is the baud rate to which Arduino can communicate. Yeah. Now the next line is void loop, in which the program runs continuously, and the first line is integer sensor value is equal to analog read AO. Now sensor value which is equal to 0 will be equal to analog read of pin AO. Analog read means read the data coming in through the pin AO, so it will be equal to sensor value. And in the next line it is written that serial print ln sensor value, so sensor value or the data coming through pin AO will be printed and delay of 10 milliseconds will be given. Now let me tell you what the connections are needed for the program to work, and first let me upload. As you can see, compiling sketch and it's done. So now let's go on the Arduino Uno board and check out what the connections needed for the program to work are. Now the connection are: first, plug in your potentiometer on the breadboard. As you can see, I am using a big potentiometer. There are small potentiometers in the market which also you can use, and as I told, they can be of any resistance. Now connect one side pin of potentiometer to ground, and the other end pin of the potentiometer to 5 volts. Now white goes to ground and gray one just connect to 5 volts. Okay, and the middle pin will go to pin AO, so the potentiometer will decrease or increase the voltage coming in from 0 to 5 volts. And as the pin AO can read, analog read can read voltage from 0 to 1023. So let us see what the data is coming in right now. Right now I am using my phone so that I can show you the data coming in through the serial monitor of the Arduino Uno software. Now on the top right there is a magnification icon, which if you click, the serial monitor will open. Let me just open it up. Okay, so now if the value is coming on at the side, and if I turn the knob of my potentiometer, as you can see, the value increases from 0 to 1023, and if I again turn it, it will go to 0. So now let me zoom and show you the value. As you can see, it changes. So it is on the basis of how much resistance is applied by the potentiometer. So if the resistance is high, the value will be 0 or no voltage will be received. Whereas if the potentiometer resistance is low, 5 volts will be received, so it will be 1023. Now that I've shown you guys how to do this stuff, now let me show you how to control the blinking speed of an LED using the potentiometer which we just use right now. You can use any kind of LED which I already showed you. So now this command will be in the description below so that you can download. The first thing says that integer sensor pin will be equal to AO, or a sensor pin is defined to pin AO, so that we don't have to write AO all over again. Then LED pin is equal to 12, just like in the previous video I showed you, and also sensor value is equal to 0, the same as in the before program. Now pin mode LED pin is set as output because LED is a device that gives out light, so it takes in voltage. Then sensor value is equal to analog read of sensor pin. Sensor pin is AO, so it is same as analog read of pin AO. And digital write LED pin high, and delay will be of the pin sensor value because the delay will be from 0 to 1023, as that is the data which is received by the Arduino Uno through the analog read pin. And again the same process is the same process is repeated, but the digital write is low, and again there is a delay. So now let me just upload this command on the Arduino Uno board. Let me just plug it in. Let me upload. You can see compiling sketch, uploading, and it's done. Now let me just show you what has happened on the Arduino Uno board. As you can see now, let me just connect the LED. So the positive terminal of the LED will go to pin 12 of digital pin 12 of the Arduino Uno board. 10 and 12 right over there, as you can see, and the ground pin goes in the ground, and the LED is not blinking because the potentiometer was at very high resistance, so the data received will be 0, and if low resistance the data received will be 1, and on the basis of that the LED will blink or not blink. So 0 means no blinking, and 1023 will be 1 second delay. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to leave a like, share and subscribe. This is a great series. I will continue it. So see you guys next time.